Kia ora.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, and our young ones, welcome to the Waitangi Treaty Grounds and also to your multicultural experience here this afternoon. My name is Waimai and I'm here to briefly explain to you all on how our show will go today. Now firstly we're going to start off with the welcoming ceremony, also known as a haka pōwhiri. Now hands up who has never been a part of a haka pōwhiri before. Awesome, we have a lot of first timers, this will be fun. Now we're going to start off with a challenge. One of our warriors will come forward from the meeting house and lay down a token of peace. This is to determine your intentions as visitors, whether you come as friends or foe. So how are we feeling today? Friendly. Awesome. Now once our warrior has laid down the token, it is then our job as visitors to pick up that token and make our friendly intentions known. But for this first part, gentlemen, I need a chief. Are there any volunteers? Come on up, chief. Here to serve. What's your name?
Alex.
Alex. How about a round of applause for Chief Alex? Now, Chief, you have a simple but a very important role to play here today. Once our warrior has laid down the token, it is in your job to pick up that token on behalf of your newly acquired tribe here today. Once our chief has picked up the token, we'll then hear the call of welcome, all karanga done by our ladies at the meeting house, to which I will reply on your guys' behalf, signalling to you all that we need to move slowly towards the meeting house, remaining behind Chief and I. Once we reach the meeting house, we ask that you remove your shoes, shades and hats. There is also to be no food or drinks taken inside. Now once inside, may you all go take a seat, except for you, Chief. You and I will stand at the front, one of our warriors, with a welcoming speech for you all here today. Once our warrior has done his speech, Chief, it is in your job as our great chief here today to do a speech of your own. Anything under 5 minutes is considered an insult. To make sure. All good, Chief? It's alright, Chief, I'm just kidding. Just simply say thank you for the welcome here today. Once our chief has done his speech, we'll then end the ceremony with a hongi or the pressing of noses. Now you're more than welcome to take videos and photos outside the meeting house. However, once we're inside, we ask that there has been no video recording of the show whatsoever, but you're more than welcome to take as many photos as you like. In an event of an emergency, we ask that you stay seated. One of our staff will be right with you guys to take you to the nearest assembly point. Now our ceremony is a very formal ceremony, so once our warriors step outside, we ask that there has been no talking and definitely no laughing. However, once we're inside, that's where all the fun will begin. Do you all understand?
Yes.
Do we have any questions? No, let's ceremony begin. Chief. Just a little reminder, ladies and gentlemen, you're more than welcome to take your shoes off on the porch here behind me. No more videos beyond this point, but take as many photos as you like. Now, Chief, do you have any family or friends with you today? That's right, you got a big tribe. Awesome. Come on.